Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Sorry if I'm looking a bit dusty. I went back in time and bought some new Nokia accessories. I'm not going to show them all today, but I am going to show two of them. Yeah, only two. And I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Brand new in the boxes. So today I'm going to show you two of the accessories and that I think it's pretty cool. And what are your thoughts? Let's begin. Okay, the first accessory is for the Nokia 3210. It's a Disney body shell with Mickey Mouse. Let's open it up. There we go. Ooh, it touched here, but it's in one piece, thank God. Okay. Unfortunately, it hit the box here. This one is better at least. If I'm looking at it, oh, this is pretty cool. Alright, also the buttons, good. Oh, and the foam for that face. That's kind of it. I forgot how heavy these phones were. There we go. Now to put the new body shell. Okay. How is this thing supposed to? Do I have to stick it here on the phone? I don't know how this part is supposed to be mounted, so I'm not going to put it. But I ain't going to put this guy. Oh, let's clean the screen before installing it. My God, this one is so tight inside. Now for the bottom part. And there we have it. This is so cool. Maybe old school, but it's good old school. I'm gonna put this phone to charge and be right back. Well, now that it's charged, it's looking pretty cool. I like it. Why do I feel like a kid again? The animation, wow. This is how I was back when I was a kid. I was looking at this and wow, it has animations. This type of screen has animations. Pretty cool. Now for the even cooler accessory, Boomfun Camera PT3. This is a brand new product in its original box. Never used. But I can't help myself, so I'm going to open it up because I never had one of these and I really want to see how it works. What I'm surprised to see, that in the picture this looked like, I don't know, this big, and when I'm looking at it, it's half of my palm. Nice. I'll just open it gently up here because the cardboard is old. Can I take it out? Yep, I can. I'm trying to keep it as intact as I can. Oh, everything is underneath this thing. Okay. Oh my God, this is a big manual. Whoo. Interesting. I will look through it after I start the camera. So, oh, it also has batteries. I wonder if these batteries still work. I'm going to try them out, of course. Come on. Here you have the strap for the camera. And now for the little beast himself. So this is what you get in the package. It has the protective film over the screen, I'm guessing. And I wonder what kind of flash it has. Is this one of those xenon as well? Oh. I don't know how to open this, so I'm not going to break it. Well, yeah, it's kind of like how I thought it will be. My God. There we go. And here's the phone connector. Now, time to put in the batteries. It indicates which is positive and negative. I wonder if these batteries still work. I started on. Oh, it started on. It started. Oh. The flash, it's automatic. Or does it need time to load? I wonder. Oh, so it means this is a xenon flash? Let me check. So the flash, it's charging, if I read correctly. I took a picture already. Okay. By looking at the camera's dimensions, I don't think this is a 1 megapixel, I guess it's a VGA camera. Okay, so if I read the manual correctly, now it's on lower quality photos. Timer. Now high quality, and this should be photo quality. Let's go with photo quality. Yep, keep the sound on. No, not deleting it. This means round photo. It means it makes a round photo. Deactivating it. Photo quality, please. And how do I select? Okay, only 12 photos remaining at photo quality. Let me take a photo there. Why is the flash not working? Oh my god, this is a Xenon flash. It's time to charge it. Charging the Xenon flash drains some battery. I mean, one line already disappeared. Okay. Get ready. Smile. This is a Xenon flash. I mean, look at it. I mean, that's what I think anyway. Now it's time to download the pictures in a Nokia that doesn't have a photo camera. Now, let's open this up again. And here's the connector. See if it will work like this. Is downloading directly. Oh my god, it sent it automatically. Look, now it's sending the second one. Should I save it? Save it. Okay, I saved all the files. 0 left. Nice. I'm going to delete all the photos. Okay. Now let me turn it off. I think I have to hold it. Yep, now it's turned off. This is pretty awesome. Now let's look into the menu. Interesting. I'm gonna take multiple pictures with this camera, upload it to this phone, and then upload it to the PC and show it to you at the end of the video. Also, there is this strap which you can strap to your arm. Oh, it's already dead? Okay. Yeah, this gets mounted in here. And I also have this rectangle, you know, for look like a I also have this little lens to look at the object you are taking photo of. Nice. I'm gonna do more pictures like a maniac and show you in the end of the video. Be right back. So I've taken enough pictures with it, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to take the pictures out of this. I have this Nokia for reference. Let's upload the pictures into it. It has to be a compatible phone. This one is, fortunately. Something like this. That's one. Should have another photo. Should be sending right now. There you go. This is starting to snap already. But it should be holding in place just as it is. Now to turn it. Actually, I'm going to delete the photos in it. And to do that, actually I have this option, all of them. Now we have 12 pictures available at photo quality. That means the highest quality ever. Oops, I accidentally took a picture. Take it. I wanted to delete it, not to take it. Okay, this is where you turn it off. There you go. It automatically turns off anyway, if you leave it on for too much. Alright. Now let's take a look at the pictures. Oh, there are still the other ones. Well, yeah, there are a lot of pictures here, and now unfortunately the PC won't recognize this connector because I need old drivers which you can't find, and even if you find, they're not compatible with the newer PCs. So I have to take drastic measures, and the even most annoying part is that this phone doesn't have multiple selections. So I have to do it like this. Which is going to take some time. This is one. This is how it looks at picture quality, at photo quality actually. I've also taken some pictures with high quality, and judging by the looks of it, I don't want to see how it looks at low quality. .axt files. I have no mark option. I can't select them all. I just have to, I can only delete them all. I'll just continue like this and be right back. Finally finished sending all of them into this guy. One by one. One by one. That's how we all go down. Yeah, I'm crazy now. Here's the option that this phone has. For all. Delete all. Yes. And also no micro SD card slot. Or any card slot. It would have been easier for me to take the pictures from it into the PC directly. But now I have to go to this phone. Let me just plug it in. Go to the PC.